Hello YouTube. Today I have a very quick unboxing video of the Garmin Dash Cam 57. I recently bought it and let me just show you what's in the box. Nothing special on the outside. So yeah, let's just open it. Okay. Alright, so this is the magnet that attaches to your windshield, and then you attach the camera, this thing here, you attach it to this one like that. Pretty strong magnet. Yeah, I think it works like that. So here's the camera itself. Nice little thingy, 4 buttons, lenses. So what else? Here's the card slot. Yeah, charging port. It's the old USB type, it's not type C, so that's kind of a bummer, but the camera is also cheaper than their other ones. So what else is there in the box? Nothing more in here. Yep, so you have a car lighter charger, which also has 2 USB ports, which is quite cool. And also Garmin gives 2 cables, 2 different set of cables. So this one, yeah, it's obviously for charging the camera, transferring things. Yeah, it says here you can connect it to the PC. And you also have this one, which is sorry for the focus. It is pretty much the same thing, but has a, no, it's actually the same type of input here. The only difference is this cable is substantially longer, so Garmin even recommends in the manual to use this one to place it inside your car and mount it in there and never take it out. What else? We also have the manual, of course, and yeah, that's pretty much it. I will be I will be taking footage with this one from my daily driving, and I will be uploading on YouTube. So if you are curious on how this camera looks like and what it can do and what's the quality, please stay tuned. Videos will be coming. Also, on a separate note, for the camera itself, I bought this Samsung Pro Plus SD card because Garmin's website actually recommends those type of cards to use with their cameras. So this is the Pro Plus of Samsung. It's 256 gigs, and as you can see, the different types of devices you can use it with. And the coolest thing about it is you have this USB adapter, so you just plug the SD card here and then plug this one in your computer and you're all set to transfer data, which is pretty cool. And I also forgot how much money was this camera worth. Maybe around a bit more than 150 euros, I think. So I will write that down in the description. And this costed about 50 euros or so. So yeah, I will upload footage. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay healthy, stay safe, and see you next time.